Joy, awe and wonder, and why these are so critical to the learning experience. So really important to an experience, an understanding of experience, is that being happy is experiential. It's part of how we experience certain aspects of our learning. When you're in awe of something, or you're wondering about it, when you see something, you're like, oh, I've never seen a creature like that, or I've never seen a sunset that beautiful, I've never seen a tree like that, and we start to really wonder and question the surroundings. We're actually in a learning place where there is no room for failure, because we're on a journey of inquiry. There is no way we can fail at that. We're discovering, and that's really powerful because it just takes that element of fear out of the learning experience. We learn best when we're happy, we're relaxed, we're more receptive to information, we're in a place where we're able to take on a cognitive load that we're not when we're worried and stressed about other things. Holistically, these elements are really critical to living a good life. We need to understand what being happy, being joyous are about. We need that experience so that we have some context for when things get hard. We need to understand that things are not always hard, and that these are actually an important thing that we can build into our life and do so quite consciously. And I just want to end with this thought that we must, both as facilitators and as learners, be willing to celebrate every hopeful act, no matter how small. I think that really is a core part of how we learn and central to the learning experience.